VS Code has a great extension to access your remote server. With Microsoft's Remote-SSH extension, you can open and edit files on any remote server, just like they were local. To install the extension, open VS Code and click on the extension's icon in the activity bar. Search for Remote-SSH. The first extension is the extension we're looking for. Click on it, then install. In the bottom left corner of the screen, there is a small button that allows you to set up a remote connection. Here, you will see various options. Select the first one. Just like when you connect to your server via the terminal, enter your host address into the field, including your username and your server's IP address. Here, VS Code is opening a new window with a connection to your server. The first connection may take a while. Once connected, you can see here the connection was successfully established. Now, go to the Folder tab and click Open Folder. You can select the desired directory to navigate and edit files directly on the remote server, with full VS Code features like syntax highlighting, IntelliSense, and Git integration. Additionally, if you open a new terminal, you'll see that it automatically connects to your remote server. This means you can easily run commands on your server. The VS Code Remote-SSH extension allows you to connect to your remote server and make changes to your files as if you were working on your own computer. Thanks for watching.